What's going on, bikers? Back with you guys today to talk about the next mod that I'm going to be doing to my 2010 Triumph Street Triple, and that is replacing the bar end mirrors, the aftermarket mirrors that I've already put on the bike about a year or so ago with these cool new ones that Kemi Moto sent over to me. I don't know if you guys have heard of them yet, but they are a newer aftermarket motorcycle and ATV part company, and they sent over these mirrors for me to throw on my bike to hopefully give me a little bit better visibility. So let's get into this and have a look at what these mirrors actually look like. I love this tagline: complete journey of dreams. Is it the complete journey of dreams or complete your journey of dreams? I don't know, but you gotta love a tagline like that might be a little grammatically incorrect. But hey, what the heck? Let's take a look at what's going on inside here. All right, so first thing we have is mirror installation tips. Tips instead of instructions. It's got all of the listed items that come with it. Cool. Styrofoam. All right, what's the first thing here? Got your Allen keys, which I'm not going to need because I already have my own set, but it's nice that they give you these in order to help install them. And let's see. Okay, here's the first mirror. Oh, wow. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's actually pretty slick. All right, so there's the first side mirror here. Looks like it's got the adjuster similar to what I have today, expander for inside of the handlebar end, and then I like this matte black that's on here. That's kind of nice. But yeah, pretty basic. Should have good reflection. This is actually quite a bit bigger than the mirror that I have on there now, so I will show you guys what that looks like in a few minutes. All right, so that's one side, and I'm assuming in here we just have the other side. There's the other mirror, and yeah, that's it. I mean, it's so basic, guys. That's all you're going to need is just to slide this into the bar end and pop it in. All right, so let's get to removing the old mirrors and then putting these guys in. All right, so the first thing you can see on the current mirrors that I have on here, they have this blue tinting on there that's supposed to help with glare, and they're pretty small, right? So it's about the size of my index finger or so. And here's the new one from Kemi Moto. You can see how much larger it is in scale compared to that mirror. I think that's gonna still look pretty good, still look pretty modern and sleek, you know, on the end of the bars, but obviously it's gonna offer a lot more visibility, which I think will be good because honestly, the vertical distance here in these mirrors really doesn't offer much to be able to see what's going on behind you. So these are gonna look good, I think. So let's pop out the left side here. First things first, you're just gonna use that Allen key, or in my case, I'm gonna use my Allen socket, my hex socket, to loosen up the mirror here and pull this one out. So let's do that. All right, super easy. Just get your socket in there and loosen the bolt. Comes right out. So you can see here, I actually use an aftermarket black bolt for this, and I didn't use an expander because these handlebars actually already have a screw-in bolt here, or excuse me, a screw-in nut that you can put the bolt into. So that mirror comes off just like that, and now I'm gonna put the Kemi Moto one in and see if it'll go on the exact same way. Okay, so what I did is I actually took the expander off of the side here on the Kemi Moto mirror. And the reason again is because I already have a threaded nut inside of the end of my handlebar here, so I don't need to worry about that. So what I'm gonna do is just grab my black bolt and slide that back through here, and then just finger tighten it. Get my ratchet ready with my hex, and then just tighten that. Boom. It's as easy as that. So now I will move on to the other side. Okay, we're looking good here. The mirrors are both in. Again, super easy install. Got both sides done. And you know what? I think I really like these mirrors. They're pretty cool. I like the shape. I like that my hand fits well underneath them. You know, I'm not going to hit that at all when I'm throttling or braking or clutching on that side, of course. There's a lot of more visibility on here. I like the, you know, bright clear lens as opposed to that tinted blue that I had on the other one. And you know what? They're bigger, but they look pretty darn good. I think they fit the bike really well, actually. So next step here is to take them out for a spin, see how they work on the road, and then we'll come back and do a final review.
All right, time to do the road test with these mirrors. And again, as you can see, plenty of space between the mirror and my glove. Even with the ones with the knuckle protectors, I got tons of space on both sides, not worried about hitting it. Just gotta make sure to come in on the angle here. But let's take a spin. So just off the bat, I can see how great the viewing area is on these new ones. So much more. I also like that they're just regular colored. They don't have that blue tint anymore. I know that those other mirrors they market saying that the blue tint like helps with glare and all that stuff, but personally I kind of like this look better. Oh wow, yeah, I mean that's some good visibility. I feel like I can see the whole world behind me. You know, they're pretty solid too, not a lot of vibration, which is good. You want it to be as easy to see as possible. I'm doing about 45 here on this road. So when I got up over 50 there was a little vibration, but not terrible. Really not bad at all. And I'll trade that for the increased viewing area any day. I mean, look at how much more this has. Everything behind me is crystal clear, nice and large. I can see that minivan back there. Yeah, this is great. All right, let's go back to the garage for a final look.
All right, so I'm back from the ride, and I have to say I do like these mirrors a lot. The bigger viewing area makes a ton of difference. I can see everything that's going on behind me, crystal clear, good as day. Wouldn't want it any other way. There wasn't much vibration in the mirrors either. They're pretty solid. Over 50, I was getting a little bit of vibration, but by no means was it inhibiting my view at all. I could still see everything behind me. So I think all in all, these are pretty solid mirrors. You know, they're not the most expensive mirrors you're going to buy, but you know, for a cheap replacement, a cheap upgrade, I have to say these are pretty good. So I'll give these a thumbs up. And if you guys are looking to get a pair for yourself, check the link in the description below for yours, and make sure to tell them that Tim's Garage sent you. And as for now, we're going to call this mod upgrade done.